So today it is Sunday and after church, of course, and we are going tobogganing. Are you happy, Vivian? She said no, she doesn't know what she needs to be excited for. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Alright, so we're taking Vivian tobogganing for the very first time, and it's my first time in years, y'all. So, what? So this is just a fun family trip. Friends locally to enjoy. The amount of snow that we've had this year, there's no reason to not go tobogganing. We've had so much snow lately. Not just lately, but this whole entire winter. So we have to take advantage and have some fun. So you ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? She's not impressed, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Sit tight and stay tuned, y'all. We are out here. We finally arrived. Trying to find the hill. I have to use my phone. I couldn't find my camera, y'all. Hi, Michelle. I don't want to take anybody out. Just control yourself.
Was it all gonna come after me?
Oh yeah, they just boarded a rocket. I know it's cold though.
Her nose is probably cold. You can probably pull it up with this. Ryan, you gonna go? Come on, I wanna go. How was it? You should go on the big hill. We're gonna go on the big hill.
Why does that work?
Great, it's so windy out here. But we are going to try a bigger hill. Let's see how that goes. Oh my gosh. It's a whole lot of fun. This might be great now. This is windy. It's not that cold. It's just really windy. Cold for people down south. But today's a decent day for us up here in the north. Go. 1. Let's go! Ryan! Was I excited?
Let's walk.
How was your first time tobogganing? Tell the people, how was it? You want to go back to the hill? She's trying to go back, guys. We out here, we out here, we out here. We came. It conquered us.
Flips and falls.
Flips and falls, but it was a whole lot of fun. We definitely have to do this again with better sleds. But thanks for watching.
Stay tuned.
Peace.